It's interfering with it's called the left lateral spinal cerebellar nerve tract. So this leg isn't talking to the cerebellum. Hey, Scooter. See how fast and efficient that is? Okay. So, alright, I'm going to adjust you. I'm just going to flick this first vertebra down and around a little bit, alright? Just a little flick. That's all. You alright? You may feel a little head rush. This increases blood circulation. And I'm getting the two muscle centers balanced up here that tell all the muscles to relax that are abnormally contracted. Alright, we're almost there, honey. A little bit more, alright? So I'm supporting the second cervical vertebra so that doesn't move. I don't want that to move.
How would I know if it's second? How will I know that if I'm trying to feel back there?
You're going to go and take it to a chiropractor.
Okay, I'm going to try to do this, right?
No, you're not going to do this yourself.
No. But I appreciate that you want to. Okay, so let's double check. I may have gotten it. Little Scooter, you're so strong. He loves being strong. Okay, so it feels perfect. So I got the atlas underneath the skull. I bet his eyes are level now. So I'll double check that in a minute.
I think I saw when you
You saw it move.
Yeah.
I saw it
Okay,
move
so
too.
now, see his left leg now?
getting better.
It's coming straight down from his acetabulum. It's not slow anymore. See that?
Yep.
See how sturdy it is now? Look at that. You can hear it come down now. Look at that.
Very nice.
Okay, now he's got his hips balanced, his sacrum's balanced. It's called the left lateral spinal cerebellar nerve tract is talking to his brain to say, I know where my leg is. I can put it down. So now he doesn't have to walk sideways. Okay, you're welcome. Now I'm just checking the rest of his spine. His pelvis is balanced, his sacrum is balanced. Hi, sweetie. This increases blood circulation, including around the brain. And then the body weight, remember it was here, now it's back here where it should be. So now his rear legs will be even stronger and he'll have more flexibility to be his powerful self. Okay, and then I'm going to take the muzzle off. Everything else feels, there's no abnormal type muscles. Everything feels flexible. Now we're going to take off your muzzle and you're going to do a big shake, okay? If you want to lick anybody anybody you want to. Okay, ready?
All good, Scooter?
All right.
What you think?
Okay.
All better?
Honey.
Oh,
Hi.
Oh, look at you.
What a good boy.
His eyes are level now, his head's balanced. And that's telling his body that the whole horizon's like this versus before he was like this. And that tells his body to abnormally contract, otherwise he'll fall over. So he's got all the... Yeah, he's smiling.
How often will that need to be done?
Well, he could hold this alignment for a long time, as long as no one pulls on his neck. Hopefully he won't fall on his face. Otherwise, he should hold this
So he's
alignment.
very well balanced in his cart, but when she walks him on a leash, she is leading him from the front. Should she lead him from up here?
Yeah, I would.
He also
Yeah, we talked
walks
about
with
doing that.
with a special jacket, and he walks to the side. Should we not let him do that anymore?
Well,
And
he
always
may
just
walk
keep him in a
different
cart?
because of it.
Well, when he's not in his car, we put what I call it's a prosthesis jacket. Well, not really, but
Yeah.
we try to cushion his little stubs.
Uh-huh. Oh, cool. Hi, what did I do?
But it would be best
I
for him
got
to
your
walk more in
neck
his cart
In
aligned.
his cart.
and less on his
I
nose.
know I did good.
So that gives me more
More
incentive
incentive.
to get
He wants
this
to give
fixed
me a
so we can
kiss?
Yeah.
keep him
Give you a
going.
kiss. Give you kisses.
And you are Dr. Who?
She's
Do you have a business card, ma'am?
I'm busy.
Oh, right then.
She's getting paid.
You are so
She's getting
sweet.
paid
You're
in
so
dog
welcome.
kisses.
It's my great pleasure that I adjusted you. Thank you for letting me adjust him.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
give you a card.
Yeah,
Thank you.
please.
You're welcome.